How many digits can I make? Oh, can you hand me that packet?
All right, so we got 4 digits. Now, how many single digits are there, guys? Total.
10.
Yeah, there's 10. 0 through 9. That's how many digits there are for each digit. Now, we got to follow each of these rules. So, if you had a 4-digit number and the first number cannot be a 0, how many total numbers are there? Let's see. If this one cannot be a 0, we would put 9 here. We have 9 options, right? Right. Okay, and then we would have 8. No, we don't.
10.
We have 10 next, and then 10 next, and 10 next. This is just 9,000. We multiply it using the counting principle. Guys, remember, the counting principle is order always matters with the counting principle. Okay? In this case, that question is kind of weird. Does order matter? That's a weird question. But anyways, if ever you're using the counting principle in another scenario, see if order matters or not, and then you can make sure you're using it correctly. If order doesn't matter, you need to use a combination. All right, the next rule says the leading digit cannot be 0, and no repetition of digits is allowed. Oh. So in our first option, we have 9 options because we cannot use 0, right? Mm-hmm. Right. Now, I use a number here. But then how many numbers are available for this next one?
9.
9, right. We don't go down 1. Why? Because now the 0 is back in the equation. And then I get to the next spot. How many options are there for that one? 8. Ooh. And then 7. Ooh. So that's all you have to do. You have to go 9 times 9 times 8 times 7. And that's going to give you guys the total number of numbers that you guys can... Right. 4,536. I'll get you in a second. And then this one says the leading digit cannot be 0, and the number must be less than 5,000. Oh, it has to be less than 5,000. So that limits what? What does that limit in our number?
So it's only 3.
Think about that. What does it limit in our number?
The top 5 of... It takes out 7 possible.
The first number has to be 1, 2, 3, or 4, right? It can't be 0. So how many options do I have for the first digit?
4.
4 options. Are digits allowed to be repeated? Yeah. Okay. So now the second spot, how many digits are allowed? There's 10. There's 10. And there's 10. Oh, that's not that bad. So this would be 4 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 4,000. Okay. And then our last one. Let's see, we got the leading digit cannot be 0. Okay, same rule as before. Number must be even. Ooh, interesting. So which number in this digit determines whether or not it's even or odd? The last one. So the first one's going to be 9, and then we have 10, and then we have 10. Then the last one has to be even. How many even numbers are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
2, 4, 6, 8. Oh,
0 works, right? 0 would make it even. 2 would make it even, 4 would make it even, 6 would make it even, 8 would make it even, and that's it, right? That's 5. So we multiply by 5, and then we got it. 9 times 5 is 45, and then I go times 10 times 10, so we get 4,500.
Your answer key's wrong.
Your answer key's wrong.